So you've got a potential client on a discovery call, but how do you get them to say yes? When you know they're shopping for other coaches or service providers. Stick around because I'm going to tell you exactly how to overcome this objection and close more sales in less time. Hi, I'm Michelle Terpstra, sales coach and sales expert for online entrepreneurs. I've helped over 500 businesses create and sell their offers online, and this channel is dedicated to helping you do that too. So make sure that you hit subscribe below so that you're the first to see all of my videos as they pop up. So before I get started, I would love to know, have you been on a discovery call before when someone said, oh, I have like 2 more calls with 2 other coaches or service providers, so I'm not ready to make a decision? I would love to know in the comments section below because I have found this to be one of the top issues that my clients have had to overcome, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it right now. Now, first of all, if someone's going to make a really big financial decision, it is likely they're looking at multiple people who can help them, okay? But I'm willing to bet you are so darn good at what you do that you should be closing more sales than you do when you get this objection. So this is how you do it, okay? A little bit of role play here because it's fun, right? So here we go. Let's pretend the person says this to you. And let's say, oh, I'm going to have you be a mindset coach, all right? So you're a mindset coach right now. And Alicia is the client, and here we go. So what does Alicia say, the potential client? So what does Alicia say? Says, thank you so much for today's call. I have all the information that I think I need especially after you send me the information you told me you were going to do in email. And I just have 2 more calls with 2 other coaches before I can make a decision. And so I just need a little bit more time. Ooh, you've heard this before. I know you had. Don't forget to put it in the comment section. Let me know if you've gotten this objection. Okay. So first of all, this is what you're going to say. Oh my gosh, you guys are going to love this. You're going to close so many more. First of all, say this to her. Thank you, Alicia, for letting me know that, you're exploring other options. And I actually think that's a fantastic job. You should feel really, really confident in your decision. So I totally support that you're going out there and interviewing other coaches to help you with your mindset. I'm going to offer you a little bit of advice though, just so that it's really important to me that you make the right decision, right? The right decision for you and the set of problems that we just discussed. So here's a couple of tips for you when you're going and interviewing them. I want you to ask them 3 questions. Okay, insert pause. What are these 3 questions? It's 3 things that make you super, super unique that nobody else is going to be able to do, okay? So you think of your 3 questions right there. Okay, so you say, okay, Alicia, make sure you ask them, if they do this, if they do this, and if they do this. The reason why these 3 things are so important to ask is it is a huge indicator if you're going to have success working with them. And it's often these 3 things that I see missed in other mindset coaching programs. So ask those 3 questions. Is that something that you think that you can do? Insert Alicia. Yes, of course. That's fantastic information. Thank you so much. Now you're back in control. All right, Alicia, so when is the last call that you have with the other coaches? Insert Alicia. Okay, so this is fun, right? Alicia says, Wednesday. Then you say, fantastic. So I would absolutely be honored if I could be your call on Wednesday afternoon after that last one. And the reason why is because I want to help you sort through that information that I asked you to gather, right, for those 3 questions so that you can make the best decision for yourself. Now, it may or may not be me, but I would feel so amazing if I knew that I helped you in any way possible to achieve the goals and to overcome the obstacles that we've talked about on today's call. How does that sound? Insert Alicia. Yes, absolutely. Book the time. This method is so powerful and it works so well, and it will make sure that you are closing more sales with ease. So if you're excited to try this new strategy, let me know in the comments section below, and heck, go out and try it, come back and let me know how it goes. And once again, if you're feeling like, yes, this is a great tip, but I need the whole thing, Michelle, give me the framework. I need to know every single step. You know that I make it super accessible for you. So go grab the Discovery Call Success Pack for $47 and start closing 80% of your sales in 30 minutes or less. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.